There we go.
I'm muting my microphone.
Mute all microphones. Gone just on time.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially filtered receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service
3 hours.
between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the
I got on right on time, guys.
at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous waters and warnings for the following counties: Bosque, Dallas,